If you're coming to Japan and are used to using Apple Pay wherever you're from, you may be a little surprised to find out that Apple Pay isn't very widespread in Japan. Japan does, however, have quite a lot of electronic payment methods, so it is still possible to come to Japan and pay for a lot of stuff using your iPhone, even if it's not using Apple Pay directly. In this video, I'm going to show you probably the easiest way to pay electronically in Japan, which is by setting up a Suica card on your iPhone. Suica is an IC card issued by Japan Rail, or JR, that was originally just made for using the trains, but over the years it also became a popular electronic payment method in convenience stores, vending machines, supermarkets, department stores, restaurants, and a whole bunch of other places too. If you see the Suica logo near the cash register, you can pay by Suica. In the Tokyo region, there are two IC cards that can be used on the rail network, the Suica card and the Pasmo card. Both are available from their respective companies' ticket machines for a 500 yen deposit. You can return the card later and get the 500 yen refunded. Pasmo is issued by Tokyo Metro. It's a useful card, but it can't be added to the Apple Wallet, so we're going to get rid of it here. Just remember, only Suica, not Pasmo, can be added to your iPhone. It's important to note here that before you start anything, you'll need to set your phone's region to Japan in the settings. So, if you have an iPhone 8 or newer, you can add a Suica card to your Apple Wallet regardless of whether your phone was bought in Japan or not. All you need to do is set your phone on top of the card and follow the instructions. I've already added a Suica card to my phone here, so there are no prompts, but the first time you try this, you'll get the instructions pop up on screen. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've added the Suica card to your Apple Wallet, you'll need to verify the card using the last 4 digits on the back of the card. And that's it. Now your Suica card is set up on your iPhone and it's ready to use. All you need to do now is charge it with some money. So if we take a look at the details on our Suica card inside Apple Wallet, we can see the card's current balance, and we can see that I'll probably need a bit more credit than this. So if I scroll down to Add Money, I get the top-up screen where I can choose an amount and use a credit card or debit card already connected to my Apple Wallet to pay. The Suica card can hold a maximum of 20,000 yen, which is roughly around $200 US. Another way to top up your Suica is through the Suica app. It's a little tricky if you don't know a lot of Japanese though, so setting that up could be for another video. I'll just demonstrate topping it up through the app here anyway. Why use the app? Well, for one thing, you can buy Shinkansen tickets through the app, which is pretty cool. But for a Japanese resident like me, it's actually the only way to top up using a Japanese-issued Visa card. It might sound funny, but Visa credit cards issued in Japan don't actually work with Apple Pay, so the only way to use my Japanese credit card for topping up my Suica is through the Suica app, like this. If you can't or don't want to top up your Suica through Apple Pay, you can always top it up at any ticket machine at any JR station. Or you can top it up on the ATMs at 7-Eleven. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Please let me know if you did by leaving a comment. You can also leave a comment if you've got a question about using Suica and any other electronic payment type in Japan too. Thanks for watching.